If we can predict choices, we can prevent mistakes.
But prediction is not permission.
Behavior analysis system online.
Argument probability 78%.
Let me fix that.
You hit my car and now you're blaming me? It wasn't even my fault. Conflict escalation detected. Probability 87%. This is going to turn bad too.
Maybe you're right.
He felt powerful.
Power grows quietly.
In the AI hologram, people's decisions begin to appear like streams of data. The city transforms into a digital grid.
User influencing outcomes beyond ethical boundary.
I'm helping.
When everyone becomes data, humanity fades.
I only wished well for everyone.
No machine decides human freedom.
You were trying to control everything. I forgot that trust needs freedom. Two hands join together. Trust returns.
AI should assist humanity, not replace its choices.